Yo, YouTube, I'm back. You feel me? I know it's been like it's been some time since I dropped a video, but today this was not. I didn't intend to make this video today, so I'm over here at my pop shop. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the bends in the back. Let me make sure my camera on point five. Yeah, it's on point five, so you can see the bends in the back. So the Benz is having some issues. The front shocks are no good anymore. Like they make weird noises. Every time I go over a bump, they make like a weird noise. I'm gonna go ahead. I have the two front shocks here, and then also the two calipers and the brake pads. The reason why I'm changing the calipers is because I have like a weird brake squeal, and he did change the rotors. And the calipers are like, I don't know how to say this. They're like a little hard. Like once I lift up the car, they're different from the rear. The rear is very easy to spin, and then once it's in neutral, the front is just like so hard. But I don't see any extra wear and tear on the brake pad that I can see it. There's probably is, but I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and change the front shocks and then the calipers and then the brake pads. I do have the car has all new four rotors, so I'm good. But just peek what we got going on here, man. I got my dad beat my dad's X5. We got dad and son combo. We got my dad's X5, and then we got the bands, man. So I'm about to go ahead and change the parts, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and get started, you know what I'm saying? There go the X5, CX5, 2024. And I think I might be leaving my car here today so it could get painted. It's gonna get fully painted, you feel me? It's just like full paint job gonna go on this one. And then yeah, I'm probably just gonna do a full paint job. Well, I'm not gonna do it. The body guy's gonna do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a full paint job so y'all can see what it's looking like before. Y'all can see, all of these, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the front shocks, calipers, and all that. I'm probably gonna do a time-lapse video, you feel me? But yeah, this is how it's sitting. I don't know if the ride height probably not gonna change. The ride height not the problem. It's the noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So yeah, you feel me? Shit, the car looking nice. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the shocks and the calipers, and then you feel me? I guess, yeah, y'all just see me from there.
Yo, shout out to C.
Yo, you feel me? That install was crazy. Like, I was doing it all by myself, you feel me? I told the guy, you know what I'm saying, I'll call y'all when I need help. But this is actually my first time. This is my first time returning, like doing a full job by myself after my injury. So it did feel good, you feel me? I was feeling myself, you know what I'm saying? I was just enjoying the time. But I did get the shocks. I replaced the shocks, both of the brake calipers and my brake pads and the brake pad wear sensor. So I got all of that done. Took me about like 3-4 hours, I believe so. But the noise that I had before is gone. And it was like my homie named Juju. He used to like get in the car, and every time he'll hear the noise, he'd be like, "God damn, bro, you got the parts at the shop, and you being lazy ass, like you being lazy as fuck, bro." But yeah, so I got the shocks replaced, brake calipers, brake pad wear sensor, all that replaced. You feel me? So it's running smooth. Um, yeah, everything's good with it. You feel me? So this what the I don't see no there's no difference in the ride height. You feel me? So it's pretty much it's a little bit high. It's a little bit high, but hey, it is what it is, though. You feel me? I got all that done, just regular maintenance on the C250. You feel me? I got some, what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm dropping it off for paint today. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it so it could get painted. I don't have school Monday, so I don't know. So yeah, it's what the C250 looking like. You know how to just do a little maintenance. You feel me? I want to give a special thanks to my dad because he's the one that gets like the parts for my car. He doesn't buy my mods, but he does get like everything maintenance. He'll pay for it, whatever all the parts he paid for. So I want to give a special thanks to my pops. You feel me? He gave me the bay. You feel me? I did what I had to do, and then you know what I'm saying. Yeah, thank you to him. Without him, I don't even think I'll change these because the parts were very expensive. But yeah, so thank you to my dad, you feel me? And that's it. Like, that's the video, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And shit, I don't know when I'm gonna drop this, but this the Saturday 23rd, I think. So I'm gonna see if I can get it edited tonight and all that. But all right, yo, there's gonna be a banger video coming. It's gonna be a funny ass video coming. I ain't gonna let y'all know what it is though, but I gotta prepare for it. So it's gonna be a video coming soon after this one. So you know what I'm saying? Peace, and I hope all y'all stay safe.